Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be showing you how to download and install the Steam gaming software on your laptop or your PC. And now let's dive right in. Now to download and install the Steam gaming software on your laptop or PC, first open up your preferred browser. As I've already opened the Google Chrome and search for Steam directly and hit on enter, and after that you'll be over here on the Google's or any search engine you desire or search and results page. And over here on the first result of Google you can see there is the welcome to Steam. Just click on that, and on the home page of Steam guys, at the top right corner of the screen you can see the install Steam button on the green where I'm hovering right now. Click on the install Steam, and again guys, after landing on this page, at the bottom left corner of the screen you can see the install Steam button available for us for Windows. It's also available for I guess Mac and Linux, I guess so, but we'll be continuing for the Windows. So let's click on the install Steam, and that file will be downloaded, and you can see guys it's downloaded already. So, and after the Steam file or the Steam setup file has been downloaded guys, either you can go to the download folder and install it manually, or you can just directly open the file from over here, and the down or the installation process will start from over here. Now you might want to click on the yes button where it says do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device. Click on yes, and this Steam setup system will be available for us. Now let's proceed with the further process. Now let's proceed with the further process by clicking on next, and choose your language precisely over here guys, which do you want it to be, and again click on next. And this is the place where you're installing the Steam, or where you want the Steam software to be installed on your PC. And going and click on install, and the Steam has been set up on our computer. Now let's click on finish, and it's loading a bit guys, so let's wait for it. And let's close this, and by now guys you can see the Steam is available on our computer's desktop shortcut, and it's currently updating the downloads, the remaining downloads of the Steam. So let's be patient and let's wait for the Steam to be downloaded completely and updated completely guys, and let's wait for a moment. And guys, the Steam is now currently extracting the package. It's taking a way bit long, so guys I'm about to end this video over here. But before ending it guys, I'm just telling you, now after the Steam has been updated, it will open up a login panel where you will be able to log into your Steam account directly. And with that being said guys, this is how you download and install the Steam gaming software on your laptop or your PC. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.